In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding a countdown timer to your Klaviyo email campaigns, a fantastic way to create urgency for events like flash sales. Although Klaviyo doesn't have a built-in countdown timer feature, we'll be leveraging a third-party service to integrate this dynamic aspect into your emails seamlessly. Let's dive right into it. The first step is to choose a countdown timer service that can provide you with an embeddable timer. There are several well-known options available, including mail timers, Centric, Countdown Mail, and Motion Mail. These services generate animated or dynamic image timers that are perfect for embedding into emails. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be using mail timers, known for its user-friendly interface and customizable options. After selecting your timer service, you'll want to generate the timer snippet. Go to the Mail Timers website and create a new timer by setting your desired end date and time. Next, you have the opportunity to personalize the appearance of your timer. You can adjust the size, font, color, and even the labels to match your email's theme and design. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and finalize the timer. From here, you will need to copy the embed code or the image URL, depending on what the service offers. For mail timers, this could be an HTML-based snippet or a dynamic URL. At this point, some services might require you to add parameters such as a start time, using Klaviyo's template variables, ensuring the timer remains dynamic and accurate. With your timer snippet ready, the next step involves adding it to your Klaviyo email template. Open your Klaviyo dashboard, navigate to your desired campaign or flow email, and within the editor, you'll need to add an HTML block. Alternatively, you can use a custom or text block and switch to the source or HTML view. Remove any existing placeholder content in that block and paste your timer's HTML or image URL snippet into it. Don't forget to save your changes. If you opted for an image URL style timer, you might prefer to use Klaviyo's image block. Paste the URL into the dynamic image URL option provided within that block, and you're all set. Finally, it's crucial to preview and test your email before sending it out to ensure everything is functioning flawlessly. Utilize Klaviyo's preview mode to get an initial look at how the timer appears within your email. Send test emails to yourself and open them across a variety of email clients, such as Gmail, Outlook, and Apple Mail, on both desktop and mobile devices, to verify the timer displays correctly. Additionally, make sure that once the timer reaches the end of its countdown, it either disappears gracefully or transitions to an ended state if the timer service supports this feature. And there you have it, a countdown timer in your Klaviyo emails, effectively adding a touch of urgency and engagement that can significantly boost your campaign performance.